According to those in the tree and plant business, now is a great time to care for your landscaping. Winter tree and plant maintenance might not seem like a normal landscape activity, but may indeed be a benefit later in the year. Dave Gordon brings us more.
Believe it or not, one of the best times for gardening is winter. Trees and plants are busy sleeping, and there's plenty of rain to keep roots moist.
Well, the one nice thing about doing landscaping and planting trees this time of year is a lot of the trees are in their dormancy state.
Garden pros like Gabe say when spring does come, new trees and plants wake up.
They're not going to go through shock of the transplant. So you don't have to worry about them wilting their leaves or keeping them watered. You got Mother Nature on your side.
Winter is also a great time to prune those trees and shrubs.
Winter's a great time to do trimming, especially on fruit trees. You don't want to cut off any blossoms or cut off any harvests you're going to get on the fruit trees. So you want to prune them in this January, February time frame when everything's completely dormant as well.
Bare branches give homeowners a chance to check out their landscape and see just how much damage, if any, winter winds, snow, and ice may have caused.
So whether that's hiring a professional arborist or coming to a local nursery like ours and asking for some advice, definitely good to know what you're doing before you just start hacking at the tree. The last thing you want to do is ruin a tree for the rest of its life.
Spring's not that far away, and if you're looking for some landscaping tips or some money-saving ideas, you might want to check out the workshops over at the Enviro House or at the Pierce Conservation District. For Tacoma Report, I'm Dave Gordon.